Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a password while installing or uninstalling the applications. Let me show you what I mean. So if you try to install or uninstalling the applications, Windows will ask you to enter a password. It is very useful if you don't want anyone else to mess up with your computer. So let's do this. So to do that, go to your start menu and search for account. Then click on manage your accounts. As you can see, I'm logged in with administrator user. You might as well have administrator user. And go to family and other users. Click on add someone else to this PC. If you don't want to sign in using Microsoft account, click on I don't have this person's sign in information and then click add a user without a Microsoft account. Now type the name of the user and create a password or continue without a password. Now you might have to answer some security questions. Once you've created the account, sign into your computer using the new user account. So if you try to install applications in this user account, it basically asks the permission of administrator user. So it is asking to enter the administrator password or a PIN code. If you like this video, leave a comment and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.